Oh,
Ready?
excuse me.
Here, babe, take one.
You ready?
Ready?
What the fuck? I'm pretty sure that should be
I'm pretty
earwax.
sure that's earwax.
Why are they spicy?
It's hard
Ugh.
because our taste buds right now
Yeah.
have so many just
Maybe
weird
that's what
flavors.
it is. I feel like after that cinnamon one or
Oh,
whatever-
that one that we tried is either black pepper or plum.
Black pepper.
Yeah.
And it was spicy, we couldn't figure it out.
There's 20 flavors, so how many are there right there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just
That's
do this.
10.
There's, how many are there?
There's
1,
10.
2, 3, 4,
That's 10,
5.
babe.
So there's
Oh,
10 more.
5, 10,
No, they're the same color.
5. Oh.
10.
Oh, I got it.
What the hell is this?
Peach or vomit?
No, babe. What are you, stupid? Dude, I can't get that skunk out of here.
Out of your mouth?
Yeah. Here.
What is it?
Chew on it.
It's skunk. That is so bad!
That was bad.
Horrible. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, that was really bad.
we should do it where we have to actually
Oh my
like
god.
chomp it.
Yeah.
No.
That is so bad. If I could just ate a skunk.
Yeah, that's disgusting. I want to find all these flavors. Pot, stop it.
Okay.